Hey guys, so I am here with a mini crunchy roll sushi. So I was hungry and I'm like, why not? I had to go to the freaking bank because somebody got into my checks and opened them and I just had to cancel out my daggum account. So, anyways, how's everybody doing? I feel a whole lot better today. The only thing that with this cough, it's like kind of rattly like in my lungs. It feels weird, but it's like, it seems like instead of coming out, it's moving down further. It's weird. I don't know. But I'm still taking my I keep saying antibiotics. It's not antibiotics. It's, steroids. So that's what I'm taking right now. So I am going to, I try to get it to where y'all can see, but I mix my, soy sauce with my, whatchamacallit. I know this setting sucks, but it is what it is. I don't think I got enough of that. Normally I get 2 because there's one in the pack, but these smaller ones there's not, but actually no packets of soy sauce. So it's a good thing that I grabbed one. So, oh my gosh, I love sushi. It's like the best thing ever. Excuse me. This cough sucks. It never stops. It just keeps going. So here you have it, guys. I think sushi is like always a great idea. Always. This coughing sucks so bad. Dang. It just don't want to leave. So, there you go. Excuse me. It's like horrible. So, I do apologize for all the coughing, but it sucks. So I was told if I wasn't better within like 3 days to come back. If I'm not better by tomorrow, I'm going to have to go back. Because it's like nothing's coming up. Like you would think the flame and stuff would come up. I know this is TMI, but, and I'm eating, but I'm just talking to you guys about my sickness. But, you know, normally it would be like, you would think that it would come up and not just stay, but this crap within my chest is staying, and I could feel it moving around, like when I breathe and stuff. So I don't know. I don't. I don't know if the medicine's working, if I need to go back. She said 3 days if I wasn't better to come back. So I'm going to give it one more day. Because I do feel better. Kinda. It's hard for me to tell though, because I'm always just, you know, even when I'm sick, I'm just still. So, I do apologize. The first intro of this eating video was like coughing, but ooh, this is good. Yum. It's vitamin water and it's 0 calories, squeezed lemonade flavored and natural flavors. I'm telling y'all what, there's a lot of people that's having this bronchitis and stuff. And you get it, and it's like, it don't want to leave. It just lingers. Like, it's crazy. But I love Kroger sushi. It's just like really good. And it's always super fresh. Always. So I've got to go back home and fold some clothes because I've got some in the dryer that needs to be folded. So that's what I'm going to do when I get home. So today I have flip-flops on, and I'm super excited because warm weather is like right around the corner. I know y'all are excited too because I'm so ready for spring and summer to arrive. It's like my favorite. One thing I've learned about life, you gotta take it as it comes. You gotta roll with it and go with it. That's pretty good. Roll with it and go with it, right? I've learned that the freaking hard way in life. It's what you gotta do, though. I'm glad I decided to get some of this because this is like so great. This little one has kind of fell apart, guys. That ain't fair. I should have got a bigger one of these because this is just not enough. This was a smaller one. It was only like $5, and because the one that I wanted didn't have this one, so I just went ahead and got this one. And this one here is like fell apart, but it's okay. Oh no. I hate when they fall apart because you can't get them and grasp them. Dang. What's going on up in this joint? There we go. But yeah, sushi is like always a good idea. I was going to stop filming when I started coughing, but I don't know. I might can edit it out. I don't know. But this is real life here. This is the daily. Crap that I go through here lately. I can't get the little crumbs. That was a huge piece of ginger, which was extremely good. I have weird, like, sometimes I want ginger when I'm having sushi, and then other times I'm like, no. It's cray cray. But anyways, I'm glad I stopped here because this was a really good snack and I needed it. And now there's probably going to be like a lot of you guys that want to go get sushi now, and I do apologize, but hey, sushi's good. Go over to Kroger. Go to your nearest Kroger. And pick you guys up some. It's always a good little snack to have. Anyways. Hope everybody's doing good. I've got to get down in here and take my heart pill. Anyways. I'm going to get off here, let you guys go, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.